from a broken pieces to a valuable and beautiful sculpture. What's the amazing capture of the Pinnacle restoration? By a craftsman carving a new block of stone to fill the missing part of Pinnacle. To finish this work, the craftsman has spent 4 days, including shaping the stone joints, connecting stone pieces, carving detailed patterns, and connecting all the elements. Please enjoy the video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more videos. Thank you.